Hey, quick question. Ever finish work, swear you'll do something productive, and then boom, it's 3 hours later and you're deep in some random YouTube rabbit hole about how pencils are made? Yeah, me too. Most of us dream about our free time, but when we finally get it, we waste it. And it's not our fault. Our brains are tired. We tell ourselves just 5 minutes of scrolling, but our thumbs are liars. So how do we fix this? Easy. Tiny shifts, no impossible routines, no wake up at 4 a.m. and meditate with monks. First, tell yourself, I'll do this for just 2 minutes. Read a book, 2 minutes. Stretch, 2 minutes. Start that hobby, 2 minutes. 9 times out of 10, you'll keep going. The hardest part, starting. Next, set a fake deadline. Instead of thinking, I have all evening, tell yourself, I have until 8 p.m. When you have unlimited time, you do nothing. When you have a deadline, your brain goes, oh snap, we better move. And finally, make wasting time slightly inconvenient. If your phone is glued to your hand, try charging it in another room. If Netflix autoplays, turn it off. The harder it is to mindlessly waste time, the less you'll do it. Look, your evenings don't have to be perfect, just better, and trust me, nothing feels as good as going to bed thinking, wow, I actually did something today. Now go do something, even if it's just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for some more.